guys, Gaz here from UK Angling, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to tie up a drop shot rig. This is a kind of rig you can use for species like perch, zander, pike. I've had chub on there, I've had bream on it, funnily enough, big roach as well, but primarily for species like perch. And what you're going to need a fairly light rod. This is a Fox Warrior Drop Shot 200. It's a 6.5 foot rod, 5 to 20 grams, and I've got a small size 1000 reel on there just with some braid. Braid's really important because that helps you feel every kind of knock on your bait, because it's quite an active method of fishing. So let's show you how I tie up the rig. So what you're going to need for this rig is you're going to need some kind of fluorocarbon material. This is 5 pound Supplex by Drennan. This is really great because it's very, very low visibility. You're going to need some hooks. These are Fox Rage drop shot hooks in a size 4, but any type of, fine wire drop shot hook. I favour something around about size 4, gives you a bit of a versatility on what kind of baits you can attach. You're going to need a drop shot weight, and you're going to need a pair of scissors or cutters. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to take about 50 centimetres or so of this fluorocarbon, and we're going to cut it off. Then we're going to take one of these drop shot hooks, last one in the packet. And the first thing you need to do is you need to take either end of your fluorocarbon and bring them together. So you can take two ends, bring them together and fold the whole piece in double. And what you're left with at this end is a very small little loop, and then what you do is you feed that through the eye of your hook. Okay, can be a bit fiddly, but once you've fed that through, you've now got the hook on a doubled up piece of fluorocarbon. Now you're going to tie a loop knot. That's actually going to turn into a Palomar, because you're going to poke the hook through the loop before you tighten up, and that's going to leave you with a hook suspended with two long tags, and that's essentially what you need to get to. And you take the two tags, and you can see there you've got a hook that's sitting at a nice 90-degree angle from the line, and all you need to do now is you need to put a loop in the top end, and that's so you can attach it to your fluorocarbon with a nice easy loop to loop knot. And then down on the other end, you need to take a drop shot weight. They've got a teardrop shaped kind of end to the swivel, and all you need to do is you need to poke the line through the open part of it, pull it to the desired distance, and then pull it into the narrow section, and that pinches it in the line, and there you have a drop shot rig all ready to go. So that sits in the water with your bait on it. You can kind of bump it on the bottom there, and then you can adjust the distance between the hook and the lead to bring, so if you brought the lead down here for example, then you'd be fishing right close to the bottom. Move the lead further up and you can fish further away from the bottom up in the water, depending on what kind of fish you're targeting. But that's it, that's the drop shot rig. Really very simple, very easy to tie, and versatile, catches lots of different species. I've had perch, pike, zander, bream, big roach, all sorts on this method on rivers and stuff. It works really well on still waters as well. Great little technique. Enjoy your fishing, guys. See you next time.